Ever wondered if you could sprinkle a little bit of Bitcoin into your everyday savings, the same way you might add a dash of spice to your favorite dish? You're already using Raiz, diligently rounding up your purchases and investing spare change. But can you extend that simplicity to the world of cryptocurrency? Can you actually buy Bitcoin on Raiz? That's the question we're tackling today. Because, let's face it, the world of crypto can seem daunting. It's a digital jumble filled with complex jargon and volatile markets. You're already comfortable with the intuitive, automated approach of Raiz. So, wouldn't it be fantastic if you could simply add Bitcoin to your portfolio without diving headfirst into the deep end of crypto exchanges? Raiz, for those who might be new, is a micro-investing platform. It automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchases into diversified portfolios. It's designed for simplicity, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial expertise. Now, the allure of Bitcoin is undeniable. It's the pioneer of cryptocurrency, often hailed as digital gold, and it's certainly captured the attention of investors worldwide. However, the direct answer to our initial question is, unfortunately, no. Raiz doesn't offer direct Bitcoin purchasing. You can't simply click a button and add Bitcoin to your Raiz portfolio. Raiz focuses primarily on exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which represent a basket of assets like stocks and bonds. These ETFs are designed to provide diversified exposure to various sectors of the market. Now, this doesn't mean Raiz is completely detached from the crypto world. They do offer exposure to technology companies, and some of these companies might have exposure to blockchain technology or even hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets. So, indirectly, you might have a tiny sliver of crypto exposure through your Raiz investments. But if you're looking for direct Bitcoin ownership, you'll need to explore other avenues. This usually involves setting up an account with a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. These exchanges allow you to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. However, this comes with its own set of considerations. You'll need to understand concepts like private keys, wallets, and the inherent volatility of the crypto market. The simplicity of Raiz is its strength. It's designed for passive, long-term investing. Introducing direct Bitcoin purchasing would likely complicate the platform and potentially expose users to higher risks. Think of it like this: Raiz is like a well-organized garden, meticulously planned and maintained. Adding Bitcoin would be like introducing a wild, unpredictable plant. It might add a unique element, but it could also disrupt the existing ecosystem. So, while you can't directly buy Bitcoin on Raiz, you can still leverage the platform for your broader investment goals. If you're keen on exploring the world of crypto, consider using dedicated exchanges and do your research. Understand the risks and rewards before diving in. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, whether it's traditional investments or cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.